Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today I want to show you a couple of accessories for meal prep that I got today. Now this is a really nice potato peeler, as you guys can see. I love the design of this. It looks and feels like it's the type of material that should last for many dishwasher cleanings, or you can hand wash it, whatever you choose to do. And I also got this potato slicer. Now I wanted to be able to create home fries that had that traditional restaurant look. So I was looking for something that was going to give me the ability to do that. So that's what we have here. So what I have, as you guys can see, a very large Texas potato. So normally I don't peel the potatoes just because of the fact that I like to have the skins on. But just to show you guys how well this works, I'm just going to go ahead and peel this a little bit in different places just to show you guys. So yes, this does a really good job. And you'll have those sections like here where you really want to get rid of some of the potato that's not perfect. And then you can just kind of go through here and pick however you want to use this. I always take the ends off if I'm going to be peeling the potato, but yet I want to maintain some of the skin. And let's go ahead and take off this corner as well. Now, usually what I do is I will take a knife and I will cut the ends like so. And then I will cut down the middle here because I'm trying to give myself a really flat surface to work with. And I think this is what's going to make it easy for making those restaurant style fries. Now we're not going to throw any of those potatoes away. We will be using those as well. But starting off, this is going to kind of give us our base. So what we want to do here is get even slices into this potato. But instead of using my knife, I'm actually going to use this because that's going to give us that shape that we're traditionally looking for those restaurant fries. So you guys can see how easily this cuts through the potato. No problem there. All right, so now we have our 4 sections. They're not perfect, but you get the idea. So that's kind of what we're going for. So now we're going to cut these into smaller fries. And you can just kind of position this however you like and then just cut down like so. And that's going to give you more of that traditional fry shape if that's something that you guys might be interested in. I like this style. And then of course you can also do a variety of other cuts, but I really wanted to be able to do those large fries. And for what I'm planning on cooking tonight, I think this is going to be ideal. Of course, I'm going to soak these potatoes in some cold water, get rid of some of that starch, and then I'll take them out, season them, and then add them to a Ziploc bag, freeze them for a few hours, and then we're going to have a very similar style of restaurant potatoes. What do you guys think about that? All right, so if you're looking for a potato slicer, and yes, you can use this for a number of different styles of cuts. You can actually do waffle fries with this. Just going to take a little skill, but you can actually make waffle fries with this. I like that a lot. The potato peeler, really nice, easy to work with, as you guys saw here in the video. Well, hopefully this video has been helpful. If you guys are looking for an accessory for the kitchen, this might be ideally what you're looking for. All right, guys, been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.